Oh my god, I'm so happy. Finally got it working on both iOS and web. It's now day 11, but day 7 through 8, I literally made no progress because I just ran into so many config problems with trying to get Native Win set up on the Ignite boilerplate. So I actually ended up restarting with a brand new Native Win app and scrapped the Ignite boilerplate. It just felt very clunky, and I'm very nitpicky with my code and how I like to structure things, so it just wasn't working for me. I also found this really cool website called Mobbin, and you can see other apps in their screens and designs. And there's a Figma plugin where you can literally copy the flow from Mobbin and it'll import all the images into Figma for you with, like, say the onboarding flow has 10 screens, it'll just do it for you instead of copying and pasting individually. Day 8 was like me doing that and just coming up with ideas that I want. This is kind of what I have now for the onboarding flow. When I was stuck on everything, there was a part of me that was like, should I just go build new features on the web, because that would be way easier. But no, I'm sticking it out with building out the mobile app because, like, that's what everyone wants, including myself. And I know that this is just part of the learning process. There's going to be friction and frustration. I did run into some very good YouTube videos that I'm going to share on Threads, but I learned that you can use CSS precedents for active states instead of having to conditionally render your logic or your styles. And there's even like a modifier for iOS or web, so that's very cool. Another reason why I just love Tailwind, and I know it's kind of made things more complicated for me. I could have just stuck with the styled components, but I think in the long run, I'm going to enjoy it a lot, and a developer experience is very important. I've also been reading the docs on Safe Area View, and I've always wondered, there's so many screens out there. A new iPhone comes out every year with like the notch and just the screen changes. So I always wondered how they were able to design around that or develop around that. That's something that I don't think most people think about. So yeah, that was day 7 to 11, and finally got something working. Oh, great. Okay, just kidding. Well, there you go. I gotta go fix that.